Hi, I am Ang Sam. It's time to know the parrot Senegal. With its yellow irises and blocky head, the Senegal parrot can have an intense look, but don't let its gaze fool you into thinking this bird is always uptight. Senegal parrots can be outgoing and playful and are the most popular of the Poicephalus species. Their color is mostly brown, green, orange, or yellow. Their size is medium. They can at least up to 30 years. Their sounds are more like vocal communicator. Their interaction with people is social. There are other birds in this family: Poicephalus, Myers parrot. The Senegal parrot is part of a family of birds well known for their outstanding pet quality, quietness, and remarkably calm temperament. Originating in Africa, hence the name Senegal, these birds are the most common of the Poicephalus and are fairly easy to find in pet shops. They are prized for their good nature and the fact that their price is far lower than their Poicephalus cousins, making them a good choice for the person wanting a larger bird. The Senegal parrot, about 9 inches long, isn't a flesh bird, like some other companion bird parrots of the same size. They are mostly dark green and brownish gray with a green throat, orange thighs, and with a yellow chest. The beak and the feet are black and the eye is a light yellow-orange, set off by the darker gray of the face. They don't need all the flesh. They are beautiful as they are, with a great personality to match. The Senegal parrot inhabits a large range in West Africa, migrating within its range depending on the availability of native fruits, seeds, and blossoms. Toys are a must for the Senegal parrot. Senegals love to chew blocks of softwood. Don't be afraid to buy them Macau-sized toys. A Senegal will make fast work of it. They love rope toys as well, but be sure to watch out for long strands that can catch on a foot or around the neck. Regular trimming of rope toys is a must. Acrylic toys with bells attached are also good and will last longer than destructible materials. Senegals are not generally picky eaters and will relish all kinds of good, nourishing food, including healthy table foods. Begin offering new foods early so that your bird will take to them right away. Senegals have a tendency to become a bit overweight, but are active birds by nature and will avoid becoming fat if given enough exercise and a good diet. A pelleted-based diet is a good way to start, supplemented with fresh fruit and vegetables. Senegal parrots can be very sweet, wanting nothing more than to sit on your shoulder all day. They tend to become very attached to their humans and don't really need another Senegal to keep them entertained. Senegals will appreciate as much attention as you can give, because this bird will come to adore you. It is best to return that affection every day, or you will risk having a dejected bird. With a lifespan of over 30 years, the Senegal parrot is a good pet for the intermediate bird owner. Senegals can become nippy if they don't get their way. So they may not make the ideal child's pet. Because Senegals are not difficult to breed, you may want to check the local paper for breeders in your area. That way you can choose the pick of the clutch. Senegal parrots are not the chattiest of species, though some individuals can learn to talk quite well, acquiring a vocabulary of dozens of words. They are not screamers, tending more toward whistling and clucking. A Senegal will not get you in trouble with your neighbors. That helps, right? A main health concerns for Poicephalus parrots is aspergillosis, which is a common fungal disease in birds. Good care, including clean housing, a balanced diet, and a non-stressful environment, can help minimize the likelihood of aspergillosis infection. Coronavirus, which is PDD, is another condition to watch out for. Signs of coronavirus infection include weight, weight loss despite eating, and poorly digested food and regurgitation. It's time to get a Senegal parrot. Senegal parrots are the most popular Poicephalus species and are available at large pet stores, at avian retail stores, from bird breeders, as well as for adoption from avian rescue organizations. Senegal parrots are not sexually dimorphic. However, some aviculturists say that females tend to have a longer V shape on the chest. That's all for Senegal. Thanks for watching.